Hello, how are you? Today I will show you how to make headband or cord with a Tunisian crochet. It is very easy and simple. You will enjoy work it. I am Dua Muhammad and this is Eshq Crochet channel. Here I'm using Himalaya Everyday Baby Looks anti-peeling and hook number 3.5 Tunisian crochet hook, and I will also need some beads to make the headband. So let's start now. Start with slip knot, then make 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14, 15. Now hold the yarn and yarn over, skip the first stitch. In the second stitch insert the hook and yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over and insert the hook and pull up a loop. Continue by the same method to the end of this row. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, this is the last stitch. It will be look like this. Okay, now what I will do, I will pull through these two loops, yarn over and pull through these two loops. Now yarn over and pull through 3 loops. See these last 3 loops? Every time I will pull through 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Pull through 3 loops. Pull through and yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Continue by pull through 3 loops to get to the first row. Okay, in the end of the row you will find 4 loops. Insert the hook and pull through them. Now make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hold the yarn like this. Yarn over, skip the first chain. In the second chain insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop, and repeat again in each stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over. Now we will insert the hook in these stitches. See these stitches? I will insert the hook in this. Here insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook in this and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop. I will continue like this. Every time insert the hook and pull up a loop. Okay, skip this last 3 stitches, don't work on it. I will work in this fourth one, and I will skip these 3 stitches. I will don't work on it. Now repeat again the back row. I will pull through these 2 loops, then every time 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, 3 loops, 3 loops to the end of my row. And in the end of the row it will be 4 loops, not 3. 1 2 3 4. I will pull through them. Okay, after we finish, we repeat again row number 2, make 4 chain, 2 3 4, then hold the yarn and yarn over, skip the first chain. In the second chain insert the hook and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook in the third chain and make 1 loop again. Now I will work in these stitches, this and this and this and these stitches, yarn over, insert the hook in this stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, here and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Continue to the end of the row, but don't forget to skip the last 3 stitches. This is the last one. I will work it. Now we will get the row back. I will pull through first 2 loops, then every time 3 loops. Now 2 loops, then 3 loops. And the last stitch will be 4 loops on the hook. I will pull through them. Okay. I will continue this row every time to get the size as I want to the headband or to my cord that I want. Okay. Here I reach the size that I need. Now skip this first stitch. In the second stitch insert the hook and make 1 slip stitch. And in next stitch make 1 slip stitch. In the next stitch make 1 slip stitch. And in each stitch in this row make only 1 slip stitch. I will continue to the end of the row. Here I finish my slip stitch. Now I will work in this side. Make 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, and insert the hook in this last stitch here and make 1 single crochet. Then 4 chain, 2 3 4, and insert the hook in this stitch, skip this, and this is the last one. Make here 1 single crochet, 4 chain, in the last stitch here make 1 single crochet, and continue by the same method to the end of this side. Here I finish this row. Now to work in this side I will make also again 4 chain, and in the first stitch here I will make 1 slip stitch. Then I will work this side with 1 slip stitch. Insert the hook and make 1 slip stitch. I finish this slip stitch row. Now I will work here again like this side. I finish this side with 1 slip stitch. Now I will work this side like this side, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. In this third stitch 1 single crochet, 4 chain, one single crochet. Continue to the end of this side. Here I finish this side also. Now I will make 4 chain, and in this first stitch I will make slip stitch. I will use the normal hook. As you wish, you can change or not as you like. Now I will make 3 chain and make yarn over, then insert the hook in this first stitch and make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, insert the hook in this space here, yarn over, pull up a loop. It will be 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and pull through again 2 loops, 2 chain, yarn over, insert the hook in this space between double crochet and chains, and yarn over and pull up a loop. It will be 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Repeat again 7 times. 2 here, double crochet, 2 chain, in this space make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, insert the hook in this space and make double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the last one, 2, and in this space make 1 double crochet. Okay, now what we will do, make 3 chain, yarn over, insert the hook in this space and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop 3 times, and this is the last time, so we make it 4 times. Now yarn over and pull through all these loops, make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and repeat this again, yarn over, insert the hook in this space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and this is the 4th time, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all these loops. The last time 3 chain, and here insert the hook and pull up a loop 4 times, 2, 3 and 4, then pull through them, make 3 chain, and in this space also I will insert here and make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and cut this yarn. Now organize this. See, it will be so beautiful. Now I will clean this here, and in this side also here I will make like this same by making 7 row like this and this half flower. Okay, I will finish here and I will show you how to put the beads in this headband or in this cord. Here after I'm finished, now I take 1 needle and half of this yarn, see, I make this yarn like this and I take half of this. Insert your needle here in this first stitch and I will clean this yarn in the last and take 1 beads and insert the needle in the second stitch here, then make the needle get out from here, insert another bead, then in this second stitch here insert the hook here and make it get out from here, and repeat again every time. In the second stitch and over here. I will continue by the same method, then I will show you how it will be. Here is after I finish it. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.